Hello, hello. Hey, what's up, traders? Dave FX Hunter here. So we have a Tuesday, and it looks really good for the setups on my uh, with my trading model, with what I am looking for. So on the weekend, I did the analysis, and based on the COT, I basically analyzed that dollar index is still bullish. Let's look to the higher time frame, and we can see where we are right now. Let me move this a little bit away. So we got this. Price has reacted here on this daily order block. Then it broke through this high and this high. Now it's making the correction, and we are just around the 61% pullback of this move. I mean, if we plot the Fibonacci from here to here, the 61.8 correction is here, which is as well in the confluence with this nice gap. And here is on the 12 hours the order block. So we got uh, no, it's not 12 hours, it's up, yeah, 6 hours. I just have a wrong note here. So on this 6 hours time frame, it's an order block here. So yeah, so that's a nice confluence of the higher time frames. And if we go lower time frame, what we can see here is that basically the price has broke through the previous week low, which is this purple line. So price has broke through it, and it as well broke through the previous day's low, right? So this is a signal for me that the price is actually in the discount, and that I would like to be entering into the trade with my long-term trend. As well, I want to mention, sorry, I still don't know why I have this drawing too. What I want to mention as well here is basically some probabilities which being backtested on the longer period. So Euro USD has 80% probability that price will retest Monday low, Monday London open on the Tuesday or Wednesday, right? Now, GBP has a 80% probability that the price will retest Monday London close on Tuesday. And Monday and Friday have a highest probability being high or the low of the week for the USD pairs. So if that is if this will be correct, let's look to the euro. So that means that we have a high probability that the euro will retest this level, right? So what's happening right now on the euro? We can see that the price has broke through the previous week high as well. Today we had the violation of the previous day's high, and we are around the 62 fib of this down move, right? So the correction in here is a 62. In my opinion, euro is bearish, so I will be looking for the short trade. What I don't like is that basically this breakup happened before the London session open. So I will not be entering the trade now, but I would be still waiting if we make a higher high, or if the dollar index on this here on this left window, as you can see, if it breaks this structure in here, right? So we have this previous day's low here, and here is the structure. So if this structure will be broken, then I would be waiting for the pullback. So that depends on how the dollar will move during the London session now. So if this happen like that, that it will go up without the correction and breaks this high, then probably I will get the trade on the New York session. Here we have the pound. Pound has broke through this previous week's high. Then it broke through this structure retest of this uh, gap. You can see exactly on the gap, and now it's dropping down, right? So maybe we will not get a chance to enter on the pound. Let's see. Next one is Aussie. Aussie has come nicely into this liquidity zone, which I have highlighted in here, which is actually the previous we had this previous day's high here, and I have it extended because it was equal highs, right? So they are both out right now, and price is moving lower. So still waiting for some confirmations, so the dollar is the main thing for me. So I want to see how the dollar will behave here in the uh, London session. Here is the USD CAD. So we can see we broke through this liquidity below the previous week's low, and we have the break through the previous day's low. Right now, the price is retracing. So need to see the confirmation on the dollar, and it start to looks good, right? But what I don't want to do is to try to catch the trade just because it's going up, these two candles. It can, of course, reverse down here and continue lower, right? Which would be for me better, because I don't like to see that the price will go up like this and then just like this, right? In that case, I can miss a trade. Here is the USD JPY. Very simple. We have the break of the previous week's high. We have the previous day's high. And in my opinion, it will come up into to break this. So if this will breaks as well, then I would be looking for the trade in here. If the price action show me the opportunity in here for the potential setups, right? So very simple. This is what I'm looking for. This is what I have described as my strategy, and it's mostly described in below all my daily analysis, which are shared in here on the trading. So if you look at it here, so where was it? Where is my analysis? Okay, so I need to actually do settings. Yes, this, right? So here is what I have highlighted. So looking for the break, you can see we got a break on the dollar. Now price is retracing higher. So yeah, we will see. We already have the reaction on this one. So yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Wish you happy trading, my friends. Bye bye.